Okay, the next part of this is going to be the creation of the switch policy. Now, it's going to begin with the assignment and the creation of switch policies normally. Now, what you're going to see here is this is where I'm going to be able to dictate what the characteristics of a given switch is going to be. STP support, bidirectional forwarding detection, net flow, control plane policing, fiber channel SAN configurations. Now, in this lab and in this class, I'm not going to worry about any switch policies. Now, it should stand to reason that we follow the exact same logic that we referenced before. If I were to create policies, what I would do is I would aggregate those policies inside of a policy group. Now, since I'm not using any switch policies, it's not going to be necessary for me to create a policy group to deploy those policies. So ultimately what we're going to do is we're going to find ourselves jumping to the top of the heap, which is going to be the creation of the switch profile. Now, the object behind using a switch profile is going to be to select the switches where I do want to be able to, or have the ability to be able to, apply policy groups. So the question becomes, will I create a switch profile? And the answer to that question is yes. And here's why. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create inside of the switch profile a number of switch selectors, just like I created interface selectors inside of the interface profile. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my switch profile and my interface profile, and I'm going to connect them together. Now, all of this is going to be accomplished from the fabric, access policies, switch policies section of the ACI graphical user environment. Now, what I want to do is I want to bring in the two components. So here we have our switch policy. Here we have our interface policy configuration. And like I said, I'm going to take the interface policy, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reference it inside of the switch profile. So here's the way this is going to work. When I create my switch profile and I create my switch selectors, I'm going to say what interface profiles I want to apply to the interfaces on these switches, and that's all going to be referenced inside of the interface profile. So what I'm going to do is when I create the switch profile, I will in fact be nesting the configurations for the individual interface profiles in the switch policy that I'm creating. So again, we're going to take a look at this from a 30,000 foot view, and that means we're going to look at it with regard to the command line, to the graphical user interface of the ACI. So I'm Terry Vinson, and I'd like to thank you for learning Data Center with me, and I'll see you in that video.